5 means maybe your teacher should maybe find a new job. I'm not sure. I don't see anybody get 5s very often. But 1's really good, 5's really bad, right? So a 2 is good. 3 means you guys have things to work on. But these guys not only got a 1, but they got 1 point away from a perfect score from the judges. And the highest compliment they were paid by the judges was one of, they said, I had to keep looking down into the sheet to see if you guys were junior high because you just didn't sound like one, which is a thing I hold very high for them. So I'm very proud of the work you ladies did at Greeley. And let's give them a round of applause for it. This song is a piece that was arranged for the movie Pitch Perfect, and it's originally performed by Miley Cyrus. This is called Party in the USA, as arranged by Deke Sharon.
I hopped off a plane at LAX with a dream in my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame and excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, I am for the first time. Looked to my right and see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy started, I'm feeling kind of homesick. Too much pressure and nervous. The taxi man's on the radio, and the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up. Everybody's looking at me now. Like, who's that chick that's rocking cake? She's gotta be from out of town.